Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Regulations to govern the funeral services sector are near completion. That admission from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton a day after the president of the Jamaica Association of Certified Embalmers and Funeral Directors complained about death threats from informal mortuary operators. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
More than 100 unregulated funeral homes operating in Jamaica, with undertakers operating in residential areas. It's an improper practice that poses a risk to public health. President of the Jamaica Association of Certified Embalmers and Funeral Directors, Calvin Lynn, has been very vocal about the issue. And on Friday, he says, police told him that informal operators have made death threats against him and his deputy.
We are not taking it lightly, right? Only that we expect the police, if they unearth anything more as to the direct person or persons, right, involved. Hope it's not a propaganda. But in life these days we do know. The association, we met the executive, that is on Tuesday of this week, and information has been, passed on.
Mr. Lynn says informal operators have accused the association of trying to keep them out of the business. But he says that the association is simply supporting the health ministry's pending regulations.
You see, they see it as a grab and take, right? Based on their behavior. All right. When we say go get certified, I've explained already what your qualification should be to enter mortuary school. Could be, not insulting anybody, is that they are not in that area to provide those passes to make the entry. Or is it that they are not prepared to spend money in that area?
Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the regulations to govern the funeral services sector is near completion.
We're very concerned about the sort of ad hoc approach to funeral homes, the procedures that deal with funeral homes. We're almost there in terms of the regulation, and then once those regulations are approved or completed, because they are with the legal people, then we move to the next level of implementation. So I anticipate that something will happen during this financial year, but it's going to be, and that will start the process of addressing the issue.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.